Okay, so the first thing we want to do is hover on tools and then click on GIF maker. When we're on this page, we can go ahead and type our name. In this case, my name is Rex. You can also select a few different fonts. In this case, I'm going to select letters because I think it's the cleanest. You can also change your frame size. Let's say you want to fit more letters in your name. You can click on the frame size and expand it. So every single box is currently 30 by 30. Okay, after we make all our selections on the first tab, we can go ahead and click on colors and we can change our colors. So I'm gonna select purple and I'll make it go into a aqua blue. Okay, that's pretty cool. You can also change your outline colors. You can change the number of colors you have inside of your letters. So after that, I want to click on the movement tab, and let's say I want to just keep my name still for 6 frames, I believe. And after that, we want to make it stack. So we can go ahead and click on stack, and you'll see that the names start stacking on top of each other. We can also change the speed of it, which will either add or reduce some frames to make it look faster in the chat. So let's say I want to make it a little faster than this. I want to click on that, and there we go. Now it goes up a little faster. So let's say I want to add a name spin. So I'll go ahead and make my name spin right there. Nice. I'm pretty satisfied with that. I want to make my name gray now. Boom. It's this easy, guys. The tool is literally this easy. Let's say I want to make the text fly away and then, drop back in. That would look pretty cool, right? So it goes up and goes back in. Nice. I'm pretty satisfied with this now. So what I want to click on now is effect. And let's say I want to add an angel effect here. So what I want to do is literally just drag the effect either to the frame you have selected on the big screen, the display screen, or you can just drop it in the little screen right here. So I'll just drop it in the little screen, and as you can see, I have an angel effect now just hovering away. So let's say I want to add another effect now. I can add this right. Okay, so now let's say we want to add the sparkle effect for some of my text. So what I want to do is just drag it like I showed you guys earlier, and as you can see, now we have some glitter on our name. Alright, lastly, I'm going to show you guys something else that's pretty cool. So if we go back to colors, we can select on the frame that I want to edit, and let's say I want to change the color of the R and the E and the X and just make it look a little fancy for the GIF. So what I want to do is click on the top name, click on R. Let's say I want to make it white, fully white. I can just click on solid. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now let's click on the second frame, and let's say I want to make the E white inside of the middle text. Let's make it solid, and then we select white. Then we select the third frame, bottom, X, solid, white, and you guys pretty much get the gist. I mean, it's pretty advanced like that. And I'll go ahead and kind of speed this up just to finish this GIF off. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with this GIF. Let's go ahead and just add one more effect for the fun of it. I will add the bazooka effect right here. And okay, I'm pretty satisfied with this GIF. Let's go ahead and download it. You can either download it as a .gif, which I do not recommend because it kind of messes with the quality. You can download the sprite sheet and upload it to another host, such as zatimage.com, or you can just upload it straight to this host, which it's pretty easy. All you have to do is click on upload. So what we want to do is copy it, go ahead and go to the Zat, click on our profile, edit our avatar, and bam, as you can see, now we have a cool GIF in our name.